Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair HolyHigh earbuds with your Android smartphone. So to do this you have to simply open this charging case and right now remove both earbuds. Take a look, one of this earbud will start blinking red and blue, it means that we are in the pairing mode. And right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone. Click to pair new device. And right now select them from the list. Looks like we are not connected, so let's try to do this one more time and accept the pairing request right now. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.